Ahoy Internet persons, I'm Derek Haryu, Content and Product Marketing Manager at Heckler, and this is the H862 Heckler mobile stand for the Google Meet Series One Board 65 by Avocor. We're going to be walking you step by step through the assembly process of this gorgeous product. But before starting any project, please read and adhere to all safety instructions provided in the user guide. Improper assembly of any product can lead to significant product or property damage, personal injury, or even fatal accidents. For optimal results, we recommend watching the assembly video all the way through before getting started. Having said that, let's get started. First, let's identify all the parts included with your H862 Heckler mobile stand. In the box, you should find one beam, 4 legs, 2 columns, 4 display mounting screws, 12 lock screws, 1 hex key, 2 top caps for columns, and 6 cable managers. Let's begin by attaching the legs to the beam. You'll notice all 4 legs are identical. This ensures that they can only align with the beam slots in one specific orientation. If something doesn't fit, try flipping it over to see if you have better results. You're going to insert the first legs tab into the beam. Ensure that the leg tabs fit cleanly into the beam slots. When the legs are inserted correctly, you can see the hole alignment. Then, fasten each leg with the 2 included lock screws using the hex key provided. The head of the screw will sink into the beam, and the top of the screw will be flush with the beam surface when fully fastened. Repeat these steps for all 4 legs and gently tighten each screw one more time. All right, we've got all the legs in place. Huzzah! It's already starting to look like a cart. Now, let's fasten the columns to the beam. Similar to the legs, the column tabs align with the beam slots in one orientation. Insert your first column into the beam. Fasten the column with 2 lock screws and ensure the screw heads are flush with the beam surface. Gently tighten each screw and then repeat this process for the second column. When properly installed, the columns will lean backwards by about 5 degrees to allow for optimal display viewing and touch access. Now, let's mount this beautiful Google Meet Series One Board 65. Important notice, this step requires 2 people. This is a mighty nice piece of gear and it would be a bummer to drop it. Don't install solo. First, apply the brakes on all 4 casters. Safety first. Next, we're going to partially fasten only the top 2 display mounting screws to the Series One board, being sure to leave an 1/8 inch gap from the display's rear surface so we have space to hook it easily onto the stand columns. Now, with the help of our buddy, we're going to carefully lift this beautiful Series One Board 65 onto the stand columns. Next, we'll fasten the bottom 2 screws to ensure everything is secure. For easier installation, place the screw onto the hex key before inserting it through the column. Now, tighten all screws to secure the display. No need to crank them down, just get them snug. Then we install the mounting caps and ta-da! Your Series One Board 65 is securely mounted to your Heckler mobile stand. Let's get everything powered up while keeping those cables tidy and out of your way. Connect the Series One Board 65's power and network cables. Wrap the provided cable managers around the Series One Board 65's power and network cables and insert the cord managers as shown here, 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 and here. Just roll it where you need it, plug it in, and you're good to go. And that is how we assemble the H862 Heckler mobile stand for the Google Meet Series One Board 65 by Avocor. We hope this video has been helpful. Special thanks to the fine folks over at Avocor. If you'd like to learn more about the Google Meet Series One Board 65, we have a link in the description. For more information on Heckler's ever-growing line of premier tablet stands, AV carts, wall mounts, credenzas, lecterns, camera accessories, and more, visit heckler.com.